Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be making some drink straw charms for your next pop-up. These are such a great way to add a little personalization to your favorite tumbler and a really neat, unique item to add to your permanent jewelry booth. If you are already offering charms, this should just be something really easy to create while you're at a live event. It doesn't take much time at all, and people just love them. So if you do decide to do these, I do recommend getting a few of these tumblers. You can get these skinny tumblers from Hobby Lobby or these off of Amazon, just to have a prop up at your booth to give a visual of what these would look like on a cup. And if you've got Stanley and Brewmeat and all that kind of stuff just on your own, definitely put one on your own so that people can kind of see what these are for. So I have a couple of designs here that I have made just for showing you on this tutorial, and we do have different designs in the shop, so you can get really creative with this and make them however you want. I'm just going to show you quickly how you can make one with our new design. So these are not all the color options, but these are the two that we are going to be working with today. So we have introduced the seashell. This is the hollow flakes that is very popular in our standard, which is this shape. Kind of fits any tumbler. And then this is the bow shape, of course. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna design one for these two just in time for summer. So today I have decided to make one silver and one gold. I generally use only gold, but I know not everyone likes gold, so I have some heart chain, and all of the materials that I use for this will be linked below. So we're gonna make one gold and one silver, and I think we're gonna match the gold with the purple and the silver with the hollow flakes. So make sure to have 2 pairs of pliers. I like a round nose and a flat nose, and then just a good pair of cutters just to cut that wire. All right, so you're going to need a little bit of a larger jump ring, and here's how we open jump rings. Okay, and then you're going to take your 2-inch piece and you're going to hook it in just like so, and you're going to take your acrylic piece and hook it in here, and then you're going to close up your jump ring. So grab this side, grab this side, and close it up. And then you have a piece to work with. So we're going to do the same thing on this one. We're going to measure 2 inches. And we can line it up right next to this guy. Something you can do at your event is have all of these pre-cut so that you don't have to do this part at the event. You can just pick it up from your stash. And we're going to take a kind of a larger jump ring. Open it up. I just use my nail sometimes. Get it through. Get your chain. And close it up. And now is where the fun part begins. So next, what you want to do is you'll want to place all of your charms in an arrangement that you think looks nice, and then you'll take your smaller jump rings and attach everything together. that is this one completed. It is so cute. So now we have our silver one. And there you have it. So here's what it looks like. At this point, your drink charms are done and ready to use on your favorite tumbler. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.